Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Blaze of Bait. Yeah, I've been busy lately, haven't had much time to go fishing. Well, it is a beautiful day out here. So here we are out here in Dublin. I haven't been out this way since last year, but we'll give it a shot, see what we can do. We have some bait and as well as a couple of new things that I want to try. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, I have only about 10 minnows. Again, I did pick up a couple of new trout lures. We did okay last week on them, and we did manage to catch a few bass. But let's go with some Berkley gulp minnows. Actually, I don't really have too many gulp minnows left, so I'll be using a Powerbait minnow. This is a 2-inch Powerbait minnow. That didn't take very long at all. Something's definitely playing with it. Oh, whoa! Holy crap, yes! Wow! Nice. It's not very big, but he is heavy. No more than about 10 minutes. Caught me a bass. He is a heavy one. It's not very big. It's only about a 12-inch bass, but still. First bass of the day. Not too shabby. Probably about a good half-pound chunky bass. So one of the last few that I have left. This is a 2-inch Berkley gulp minnow. Yes, there we go, there we go, there we go. Ha ha. Nice. Wow. Here's a bigger. He is a big one, folks. And he is actually a red ear, not a bluegill. Wow, I didn't even know they're out here. Holy crap, look at him, folks. He is easily about an 8 or 9 inch. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow. He is huge, folks. Look at him. That is a nice looking fish, too. Easily about an 8 or a 9 inch. He is a big one. That's for sure. The mouse tail is actually more of a trout bait. I managed to catch everything else except a trout. Yes, there we go. Here we go again, folks. There we go. Small one. Not too shabby. Small, but kind of pudgy. Have a pretty good weight to it. It's about a 10-inch little bass. The setup that we have here, I thought it was a new setup, but apparently there's a term for it. This is called your Lindy rig, which is kind of like a drop shot rig. I have me a 3/4 ounce bank sinker tied to a dropper loop with a size 4 octopus hook. I have me a styrofoam float at the top. Now I did pick up some more shrimp. Hopefully we can catch us a catfish. And of course I like to tear off the head to give it just a little bit more scent in the water. Let's give this a try. We'll just set that down. That's the nice thing about catfishing. You really don't have to do much. Whoa! Think something is on the catfish pole, folks. Yes, there it is. Caught something, folks. Yeah. Wow, this one's putting up a good fight. Ooh, look at that, folks. Wow. That is a good size. Look at that, folks. Holy crap. Wow. Not bad. 15 minutes in. Oh. Wow. It's definitely putting up a good fight, that's for sure, folks. Ah, look at that, folks. Look at that. Holy crap. Oh, man, it snapped. Oh, crap. Snapped the line, folks. And look, it straightened out my swivel. Wow. Oh, man. That was a big one, too. That sucks. Well, that's a lesson learned, folks. Just because of the swivel, it says that it's rated for 60 pounds. The clip itself is actually not. As you can see, it actually just straightened out that swivel. So it's probably best to use just a barrel swivel instead of using a snap swivel. That was a big catfish, folks. Right now I want to try me something new. I just picked this up the other day. We'll try some with the Berkley Trout Worms here. We'll give this one a try. Oh wow, this is long. It's one long strand, folks. Look at that. See how well the trout worms work. There we are. Let's give this one a try here. Oh, yes. Wow. The moment I cast it out with a trout worm, something's already on it, folks. There we go, there we go, there we go. Wow, I'm getting more action on this trout worms than I did with the minnows. There it is, caught something. Ha! First catch on the Berkley Trout Worms. Just a little green sunfish. But at least we finally caught us or something. There we go. About a 5-inch little green sunfish. Not bad. Our first catch ever using the Berkley Trout Worms here. What's up, everyone? Well, here we are. We're in a completely new place. And this is where the park ranger just recommended me. Anyway, we'll give it a shot. Hopefully we can do better than the other place, because the other place we caught ourselves only a few sunfish and almost caught me a damn big catfish until it snapped my line and straightened out my swivel. That was a first. Anyway, let's give it a shout out here. Talk to you later. We'll try it out with a Powerbait Minnow. We'll be using the 2-inch white Powerbait Minnow. And see if we can catch anything bigger than just sunfish. Let's give it a shot. Definitely getting a lot of action out here. But somehow I think they're all just a bunch of little bluegills. Oh! Oh, well, that's not a bluegill. Ha! There it is, folks. Caught a bass. Good size. Got him on the Powerbait Minnow. That's maybe about a 1/4 pounder, folks. Not very big. There we go, folks. Probably about a good 9-inch little bass. Yeah. At least it's not another bluegill. There we go, folks. If I can catch me another big catfish or a good sized bass, I'll be happy. But not bad. We've been out here for only about 15 minutes. Caught me a sunfish and a little bass. You know what? Let's give it a shot with something that's a little bit bigger than this power bait, because it seems like I'm just catching a bunch of little ones. I'll try this one. I think this was one of the lures that I picked up at the fishing expo. I don't know what the name of it is, but I think it was some homemade lure that this one guy made. And this is about a 3-inch little plastic minnow thing. I had never used it before, so see if we can actually catch something with it. Whoa! Think it's a bass. Yep, tiny little bass. Well, we can say that this homemade lure works. Tiny little, maybe about a 7-inch baby bass. Oh, at least we're definitely getting a lot of action. There we go, folks. Second bass. Only about a little tiny 7-incher, maybe. There we go. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try me out using a swim bait. Try to just tie it directly on this line here. See if we can catch us anything with it. I never tried using a swim bait before, so we'll see if we can catch us anything with it. It's my first time using a swim bait. There we go, folks. Whoa, there it is, caught something. Ha! Well, it is my first catch on a swim bait. There we go, folks. Not what I wanted, but they're the only ones who's biting right now. Oh, it's really stuck in there. First catch, folks. Yeah, it's a little tiny sunfish, but first catch on a swim bait. So today, catching quite a few things on new lures. But overall, it's been a fun day. I know, it's just a bunch of little fish and 2 tiny bass. Just the moment that I said it, saw this twitch. So it's nothing impressive, but well, caught me, actually caught me something on a shrimp. That is funny. There we go, folks. Final fish of the day. Decent size, probably about a 6-inch. Caught it on the shrimp. Anyway, folks, on that note, I'll be heading out. If you guys like this video, please smash that like and consider subscribing for some more fishing, knives, and kit videos. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you later.